Hello everybody, today we'll discuss on weird animals GK question and answers. Which mammal spends most of its life on trees in an upside down position? Sloth. Sloth spends most of its life on trees in an upside down position. It eats, sleeps and even gives birth to their young ones in this position. Which is the only living species in which both females and males have pouches? Water opossum. Which camel are world's only swimming camels? Karai camels of Kutch in India are the only swimming camels in the world. Which animal that lays eggs? Monotremes. Monotremes are the very unusual type of mammal. They lay eggs instead of giving birth to young. There are only two kinds of monotremes in the world. They are echidnas and platypus. Which animal is the world's largest nocturnal animal? II. Native to Madagascar is the world's largest nocturnal animal. Which male and female deer species does not have antlers? Water deer. What is a variety of Indonesian pig that has tusks that can grow almost to its forehead? Babirusa, also known as deer pig, which is a wild pig-like animal native to Indonesian island. Which animal has the longest tongue to clean its ears and eyes? Okapis, also known as forest giraffe. It is the only mammal that can lick its own ears. Which mammal fur color changes with its season? Arctic fox. Fur color will be white in winter and brown in summer. Which is the only scaly skinned mammal? Pangolins. Name the only sanctuary where Kashmir stag is found. Dachigam National Park, located 22 kilometers away from Srinagar. Which animal is called honey bears? Kinkajous. Native to Central and South American rainforest, kinkajous are also called honey bears because they raid bees' nest. Which is the world's smallest and rarest wild pig? Pygmy hog. Which animal is the only mountain ungulate in South India? Nilgiri tar. It is also the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Which is one of the endangered mammal of the Western Ghats? Malabar large spotted civet. Which animal has the longest neck in gazelle family? Gerunak. Gerunak, native to Africa, has the longest neck in gazelle family. Which state will open India's first snow leopard conservation center? Uttarakhand. Which animal looks like a cross between a cat, a dog and a mongoose? Fossa. Fossas are native to Madagascar and it is a top predator in Madagascar. Which animal has a pouch facing backwards? Wombat. Wombats are native to Australia, has a backward facing pouches which prevents the dirt entering the pouch when animal digs. Which is the world most trafficked mammal? Pangolins. Found in tropical Asia and Africa. Which animal is called nature's ottoman and living chairs? Capybara. Capybaras are also called living chairs because other animals love to sit on capybaras. Which is the slowest animal in the world? Three-toed sloth. Three-toed sloth are slowest animal in the world. Native to America, they can move with a maximum speed of 0.24 kilometers per hour. Which animal shrinks its liver and heart to reduce oxygen consumption during drought? Sand gazelle. These gazelles lives in hot, dry savannas and deserts. To stay hydrated in these areas, it shrinks its heart and liver. Which animal play dead for hours? Opossums. Which animal has a face like a cat, body like a small bear, and tail like a monkey? Binturong, also known as bear cats, lives in tropical rainforest in Southeast Asia. Which country is called Land of White Elephants? Thailand. Which big cat has the strongest bite? Jaguar. What is a flying lemurs or also called? Colugos. Colugos won't fly but it glides from tree to tree. What is an extinct subspecies of a plain zebra? Quagga. Quagga, grass-eating animal native to South Africa, became extinct in 19th century. Which animal fur is the world's softest? Chinchillas. Native to Chile has the softest fur in the world. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel for more GK question and answers.